What's up everyone, welcome back to How To Knots, and today I'm going to be showing you how to tie ABOK 183 and 184, which are both butcher's knots. Yes, this is rope and not twine, and yes, this is a wooden broomstick and not a roast. But I figured I'd show you on this big setup, so then when you do it with twine, it might be a little bit easier. It starts by taking your working end here. We're going to go around our roast there, and then we're going to run these lines parallel. Maybe I'll move this up so you can see here. So we're going to run these lines parallel, and then I'm going to take that standing end and I'm going to slide it over the working end just like that. All right, now I'm going to get some slack. I'm going to take our working end here, so this is our working end, and I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go under and then through here, so kind of like a little hitch. Make our hitch there. All right, this is what it looks like. This is kind of the basis of ABOK 183. And then 184 has a slight difference, which I will show you after. So there's kind of ABOK 183. We have this hitch around there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a hitch on our standing end and we're going to apply it to the working end. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'll tighten up here. I'm going to make that hitch there, and then I'm going to apply that to the working end. So notice how I'm applying the hitch to the working end and not applying the working end to the hitch, if you kind of get what I mean. I'll explain in a second. So then there we go, we would just tighten that up. And that is ABOK 183. I'm going to start tying ABOK 184, and you might just start thinking, what are you doing? You're just tying the exact same knot, which is true. I'm going to just start tying ABOK 183 as I just did. But then I'm going to have one slight adjustment. So I just made that first hitch here after coming around our roast, and I'm just going to make another hitch. So simple. I'm just going to make one more hitch around that little standing end there. And that's that. That's ABOK 184. It just has an extra hitch. But again, I'm going to touch on the hitch, the final hitch here, to complete this knot that you're going to make with the standing end. And that you're going to apply it to the working end. And what I mean by that is that you're going to make this hitch here, and then I'm going to keep the working end running uniform along our roast, and then I'm going to apply that hitch to the working end, and then I would pull down, and this would all cinch with the twine there. And what Clifford Ashley means by this in the Ashley's Book of Knots is that you're not taking that working end, making our hitch, and then applying the working end to the hitch, and then pulling everything tight. Because that working end is supposed to be running uniform, kind of parallel here with that roast. So what we're going to do is apply that hitch to the working end, so keeping the working end where it is in its form there, and then applying that and holding that working end down, and then we're going to cinch there. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Any butchers out there, you can critique this or offer any comments down in the comments section.